What's up guys, Evan from RCI Off-Road here, and today we're walking you through the installation process for the RCI 4th generation Toyota Tacoma Bed Stiffeners. Bed stiffeners are a great addition to any truck. They add rigidity to your truck bed, whether you're carrying a rooftop tent with an overland bed rack system or an off-road camper. They also offer additional tie-down points for the truck bed, as well as offer a bottle opener for cracking some brews around the fire. RCI bed stiffeners are sold as a pair, so you'll receive one driver's side bed stiffener, one passenger side bed stiffener, and a hardware kit. In that hardware kit is 6 M8 bolts, 6 5/16 washers, 6 M8 rib nuts, and 1 7/16 nut. Please note the 7/16 nut will not be used for actually fastening the bed stiffeners to the truck, but will be used in the installation process for the rib nut itself. Ultimately, your bed stiffener is going to sit in this location. Step 1 is going to be to remove the 2 factory bolts from your bed. If your truck came with a bed liner over the factory composite bed, you want to first start by removing or cutting off that bed liner from this corner bolt. We'll use our utility knife or pocket knife to start cutting away that bed liner. It might take a little bit, but you will want to remove that. Once you've completed getting as much bed liner out of the socket hole as possible, go ahead and grab your T55 Torx bit and remove the bed bolt. Once the bolt's slightly loosened, you're able to finish cutting around the head of that bolt and removing that excess bed liner. Next, we'll just remove this factory tie down, and that's going to be a T40 Torx bit. Next up, we'll grab the bed stiffener and just start mocking it up. We're going to hold it up against the bedside here and reinstall that factory hardware. Just get it loose for now. It's just going to be a reference point. No need to fully tighten it down just yet. Now with your bed stiffener in place, we'll go ahead and mark our holes to drill. I'm using a hole punch, but you can also use a drill bit, Sharpie, whatever you have on hand. Now we'll go ahead and remove the bed stiffener in preparation to get our holes drilled. Now that we've marked all 3 of our hole locations, go ahead and grab a small drill bit to drill a pilot hole. Now that we've got our pilot holes drilled, we're going to go ahead and step up to the next size. If you've got a 17/32 drill bit, that's what we'll be using. Otherwise, if you've got a step bit like this, that'll work as well. Now that we've got our holes drilled, excellent time to add a little bit of paint to the bare metal there just to prevent any rust from forming down the road. And then we'll go ahead and clean up all of our metal shavings. Next step is going to be installing our M8 rib nuts. If you have a rib nut gun or rib nut tool, feel free to use it. For those of you that do not, we're going to be walking through this hardware setup that's going to allow you to install this rib nut with just a basic impact driver or impact wrench. Proper orientation of this hardware setup is going to be your M8 bolt, 1 5/16 flat washer, the 7/16 nut, a second 5/16 flat washer, and then your M8 rib nut. Keep in mind the 7/16 bolt is just acting as a collar, so it's not going to thread onto the bolt. It's simply going to slide over the threads and act as a collar. Next, we'll grab our 11/16 wrench, slide over that 7/16 hex nut, and hold the entire assembly with the wrench. You'll slide that rib nut into the hole and then grab an impact. We're using an impact driver. If you've got an impact wrench, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, those will work as well. With a 13mm socket on the end, we'll go ahead and just tighten that M8 bolt. You'll hear an audible difference in the tool itself. When you hear that big change, you know that it's compressed on the backside and you're good to let off. Now that it's nice and snug, Go ahead and back that inmate bolt out of the threads of the rivet. We'll go ahead and repeat that same process for our top 2 mounting holes. Next, we'll go ahead and grab our bed stiffener and get it held into place. Take one inmate bolt with a 5/16 washer and begin threading it into our rib nuts. Go ahead and leave those loose for now and just get them started with a couple threads until all hardware is in place. Grab your bed bolt, and again, we'll get that started by hand as well. Finally, we'll grab that factory tie down and get that back into place as well. We'll grab our T55 socket and go ahead and start tightening down from the bottom, working our way up. Next, back to that T40 socket, tightening down the factory tie down. And finally, back to that 13mm socket just to tighten down those last 3 inmates. One thing to note on our 3 inmate bolts is to only torque them down to 20 foot-pounds. You don't want to go anything crazy and accidentally strip that rib nut. All right, guys, that concludes the installation process for our 4th generation Toyota Tacoma RCI bed stiffeners. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to shoot us an email at sales@rcioffroad.com or give us a call at 970-797-3089. Thanks, we'll see you in the next one.